Anandville, the aura of meaningful life. Siliguri's largest residential community, this fantastic apartment is perfect for the outdoorsy nature lover. Features include an expanse of 6.7 acres with open sky. The life open in central green areas offers ample opportunity to sunbathe or meditate on. 700 meters jogging track, swimming pool, qualitative aspect of the projects, like with inside-outside natural light and ventilation. Enjoy Nature Club, 25,000 square feet clubhouse, digital classroom, community hall, commercial space, all age groups, gym, the safe private cafe, theater room, perfect for bird watchers, bookworm or fitness enthusiasts. Reviewing the apartments, 769 apartments in different sizes, 350 apartments, 2 to 3 spacious bedrooms, including visitors, car park, electric car charge, firefighting system, 24/7 water supply, daily shop. More precisely with the earthquake resistance RCC frame structure built with very high quality material. The perfect blend of safety, peace, fun and dream come true. The blessing of Anandville is easy access to all points in Siliguri, be it hospitals, groceries, best schools and more. Let us feel the home, harmony and happiness, an unmatchable lifestyle. The future is in your hand. Get it before you regret it. Contact 9756222000, 9735022000. Address beside 7 Kingdom Hillcart Road, Dagapur, Siliguri, West Bengal.